I bet you didn't know that Elon Musk, despite earning $46 billion last year, paid a negligible amount in taxes. In the intricate world of finance, a select few have mastered the art of wealth preservation. How is this possible, you might ask? The answer lies in a web of legal tax loopholes, carefully woven into the fabric of the financial system. These loopholes, often shrouded in complex jargon and legal technicalities, are the very tools that allow the ultra-wealthy to safeguard their fortunes. Today, we venture into this hidden realm, peeling back the layers of financial engineering to reveal the secrets behind Musk's tax strategies. Join me as we delve into the world of legal tax loopholes and uncover the methods employed by the financial elite to minimize their tax burdens. Our journey takes us to the arid landscapes of Nevada, a state renowned for its business-friendly environment. Here, amidst the bustling city of Reno, lies a haven for asset protection, the Nevada Corporation. Unlike traditional corporations, Nevada offers a unique advantage: the ability to hold assets, from real estate to stocks, completely free from state taxes. This is achieved through the creation of shell companies, entities that exist solely on paper, shielding their underlying assets from the prying eyes of tax authorities. By transferring ownership of valuable assets to these Nevada-based entities, individuals like Elon Musk can effectively sidestep state taxes, preserving their wealth for generations to come. The process is surprisingly simple, requiring only the incorporation of a company in Nevada and the subsequent transfer of assets. This legal loophole, while seemingly complex, is a well-trodden path for the wealthy, allowing them to safeguard their fortunes while remaining compliant with the law. It's a testament to the power of strategic planning and the intricate dance between wealth and taxation. Our next stop takes us into the realm of philanthropy, where charitable giving intersects with sophisticated tax planning. Here we encounter the Charitable Trust, a powerful tool used by billionaires like Bill Gates to reduce their tax liabilities while simultaneously supporting causes they believe in. Imagine a trust, an entity designed to hold and manage assets. Now, picture this trust being designated as a charitable organization, its primary purpose being the support of charitable causes. This, in essence, is the Charitable Trust. By donating assets to this trust, individuals receive a substantial tax deduction, reducing their overall tax burden. But here's the intriguing part: they retain a degree of control over how those assets are managed and distributed. Think of it as a win-win scenario. The trust, fueled by the donated assets, supports charitable endeavors, while the donor benefits from significant tax savings. It's a delicate balancing act, carefully orchestrated to maximize both philanthropic impact and financial efficiency. The Charitable Trust, a testament to the ingenuity of financial planning, allows individuals to align their financial goals with their philanthropic aspirations. It's a powerful tool wielded by the ultra-wealthy to navigate the complex world of taxation while making a positive impact on the world. Chapter 3: The Art of Borrowing, Unlocking Wealth Without Selling. Our final destination takes us deep into the world of high finance, where borrowing takes on a whole new meaning. Here we uncover the strategy of borrowing against stocks, a method employed by the ultra-wealthy to access liquidity without triggering hefty capital gains taxes. Imagine owning a valuable asset like a stock portfolio worth millions, even billions of dollars. Selling even a small portion to fund your lifestyle would incur significant capital gains taxes. This is where the strategy of borrowing comes into play. Instead of selling, individuals can borrow money using their stock portfolio as collateral. This loan, often secured at incredibly low interest rates due to the collateral's value, provides immediate liquidity without triggering a taxable event. Take Elon Musk, for instance. In 2020, he secured a loan of $4.2 billion using his Tesla shares as collateral. This massive influx of cash came without selling a single share, effectively allowing him to access his wealth while deferring any tax liabilities. This strategy, while seemingly complex, highlights a fundamental principle of the tax code. Taxes are incurred on realized gains, not on unrealized wealth. By borrowing against their assets, the ultra-wealthy can tap into their fortunes without triggering a taxable event, allowing their wealth to continue growing unhindered. Unlock your tax-free potential. The strategies we've uncovered today are just a glimpse into the intricate world of wealth preservation. The IRS may frown upon these tactics, but they are perfectly legal and readily available to those who seek them out. If you're ready to explore how you can legally reduce your tax burden and safeguard your financial future, we encourage you to learn more. Comment "tax-free" for the lawyer's contact. Don't let the complexities of the tax code hold you back from achieving your financial goals. In our next video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Rihanna's financial strategies, uncovering how she shielded $400 million from the taxman. Make sure to smash that follow button and turn on notifications so you don't